Did you hear about the viral Dubai chocolate? Do you know? Each bar is being sold for about 4 to 5,000 rupees per piece. And it is so much easier and cheaper to make one at home if you know how to make pistachio butter, because the filling is made out of pistachio butter. So if you already know how to make pistachio butter, just subscribe to our channel, because we have shared the complete recipe on how to make Dubai chocolate very cheap at home. And if you don't already know, watch the video till the end, because today I'm going to show you how to make the creamiest homemade pistachio butter. It is rich and smooth and so easy. Plus, I'll share with you a customized gift idea if you want to gift it to your loved ones. Okay, before you start making this gift, just know that pistachios are expensive. And if you're gonna gift it to someone, know it will be a very thoughtful and a very expensive gift. And you can roast as much pistachios as you want. I am roasting about 1 kg of pistachios in this pan without any oil or any ghee or anything. This is just dry pan and I've put pistachios, and some salt was already in the pistachios when I bought them. And with this recipe, you can make nut butters out of any nuts that you like. And you can make it with any amount of nuts that you like. But I am making it with 1 kg, because whether you're gonna make it with a small amount or a large amount, it is gonna take exactly the same time. So it is very time efficient, and buying in bulk is always cost efficient. Plus, since it is so delicious, I promise you it is not gonna remain in your pantry for long. And in the description box below, I'll share the links on where I bought these pistachios online. So on a hot pan, it will take about 10 minutes to roast them. Be careful, they should not get burnt. Once they cool down, transfer them to a food processor or a blender. I have found in a food processor, nut butters are made much better and easier than in food blenders. So once the pistachios are powdered and crumbly, add some desi ghee to make it taste heavenly. You can add coconut oil or any other oil that you like, but desi ghee makes the taste come out much better than others. Next, add a sweetener of choice. I am adding just half a teaspoon of stevia in this whole 1 kg of pistachios. You can also add honey if you like, but if you want to add honey, add it after you have made the pistachio butter, like as a final step. Then I have split up a vanilla pod. I am adding the seeds of the vanilla pod in the pistachio butter. If you don't have a vanilla pod, you can also add vanilla essence. Finally, add a pinch of salt and run the food processor till the whole thing is buttery. It should become liquid basically. It will take about 10 to 20 minutes, and in that time you will have to scrape off the batter from the wall of your machine. Also give it some rest, because it is gonna run continuously for a good 10 to 15 minutes. And this is my Kenwood machine with a 1000-watt powered motor. And I'll leave the link on where to buy it from Daraz. And I know it is pricey, but if you love nut butters, it is gonna come in handy a lot. And if you're gonna use a cheaper machine with a weaker motor, it is gonna take even longer to make your nut butter. And if in your family you have some seniors like grandma or grandpa who don't have teeth, who cannot chew nuts, or you have small kids without teeth, this is one of the best ways that they can take the nutrition of the nuts. So our pistachio butter is prepared, and you can take it out in any jar that you like. It took me approximately 20 minutes because I was stopping to scrape off from side. You can see the consistency. If you want to make it more liquidy, you can add more of the oil or desi ghee. If you want it less liquidy, you can add less of the oil or desi ghee. And you can take it out in any jar that you like. But if you want to give it as a gift, I would recommend to make a raisin jar like this that I made out of pistachio shells. And on it, put a golden acrylic sticker with your heartfelt message. And I'll leave links on where I got all these things in the description box below. So do try them out. And these make wonderful gifts, because the butter does not get spoiled without refrigeration, because there is no water in it. It remains good even without a fridge. I have sent this pistachio butter as a gift to places as far as the UAE and the UK. And it did not get spoiled because it has no water in it. And on the cap of the jar, I have made a flower out of the pistachio shells that I painted with a golden paint. So what do you think of my pistachio raisin jar? Let me know in the comment section below. Also tell me if you made this gift for someone you love. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.